How are you?
I'm fine.
You are playing?
Yeah.
Have you eat?
No.
Okay. Please run, buy me matches.
Okay.
Just one, no?
That
One
food,
packet.
you give me oh.
Why not? Go and buy me.
Now
One packet, so one packet.
I dey come. Uncle?
Are you back?
Yes. Uncle, cook it now. Cook it sharp.
Alright.
Yes. Go bring 2 spoons oh.
Giddy.
Yes, Uncle.
Come, please buy me salt.
Uncle, you never put salt. Oh.
Just buy me salt.
Uncle, I don't bring salt.
Giddy, you are back now.
Yes.
Thank you. Giddy. You are still playing. Come, come.
Again.
Come. Okay, buy me oil.
This is the last one.
Go and buy the oil. Giddy, you are back.
Yes.
So fast. Thank you. Giddy, one more thing, come.
Uncle,
Go and buy me Maggi. One Maggi.
One Maggi 20.
Very fast, be fast. Now. Giddy, you want to break the door? Now your door? Thank you.
You tell me what, but I buy
One Maggi, yeah. Thank you. Giddy, you are still here playing. Come. Please run and buy me pepper. Just pepper. Just run now, please. Run. Run, please.
Send me everything. I go. You send me everything. Maggi, pepper, everything. Don't die. Oh.
Giddy. So you did not buy the pepper? What happened now? I said to go and buy me pepper.
Uncle, please calm down. Don't vex. Uncle, it's like when you go inside there and come and say, you must have something to say me. At first, he say me, oh yeah, he say me salt, he say me Maggi. So the last one where he send me now, I just say, let me sit down. Uncle, now that you have come outside again, do you have anything to say me? Let me go at once.
I don't have anything to send you. Just go and buy me that pepper.
Uncle, remember. Uncle, are you sure? Remember. Oh. Remember something now. Uncle, do you have stove and pot?
Jesus!
Alright, thank you for watching that funny Love Nation entertainment comedy video. See you on
Monday
and on.
Also see you on Friday.
Oh, boy,
Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See, this guy say, please.
See, make I tell you, no forget say if no be Love Nation, you no be like Love Nation. So for your own good, subscribe for our YouTube.
Please book us for any kind of event with the number show you on your screen. Please see you on Monday, see you on Friday.
Promotion on Nokia Touchlight.
Let me small thing.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are
Subscribe.
begging you.